Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we will be learning how to turn off sound in Mortal Kombat 5 Blackout game. To turn off this sound effect and enjoy silence experience in Mortal Kombat 5, follow through these steps. Launch open the Mortal Kombat 5 Blackout game on your mobile device and then from the home screen. Once you're in the main home page, go ahead and tap on the down facing arrow at the top right corner. Now from the expanded pop-up menu, tap on the gear button. Now click on audio/GFX and you will see this kind of an interface. Simply drag the slider right underneath music volume and SFX volume and drag it all the way towards the left. After you make it look like this, you will then be able to turn off the sound effect in the game. You can tap the back button and get to the main menu. Your sound settings will remain until changed again. So that's how you can easily turn off sound effect in Mortal Kombat 5 Blackout game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.